Menteri Ketenat Kam Jengok Kai Pertai Bat Lariti Ubak Polling Do Hinin Kasi Ula Plie ke Rynsan Ïakop Miss Universe Meghalaya Haga Jingelang Kablalong Vivanta Kendailat Ka Jingelang kelas dang da ka jing pelat ia ke logo jong kete ke Rynsan Ïakop da usembut kongsan Ubak Frederick Roy Karkungor IAS bot sa ka jing batai benia ahlor ke Miss Meghalaya Glamanan Entertainment Private Limited but ka Miss Universe India naka Miss Meghalaya Bivanta kasamla Stella Kongsni but u Amjad Khan Haka jingkren jong u kongsan u ba lingdo ula banjur halor kisien jam jong ke sorkar ban kershan bat ban kentiu ki khon samla ke jela kam tam haka put ke tembat kasap ke pong menteri ula palai ru ia ke pansngat jong ke Rynsan Ïakop Miss Universe Meghalaya kawan salokshen
on behalf of the Miss Meghalaya organization
Sophia started her career at a very young age, the guest of honor.
Today, I can say with a lot of confidence that Meghalaya has arrived. And where our soft skills are concerned, the sky is the limit. As we speak, our boys from Rynsan, from Jayao, Dapes is performing on the 11th at Dubai with the sponsorship and support of the Tourism Department of Meghalaya. Daniel's aim has taken our fabric to Milan last year. These were not opportunities available to our young people even 10 years.
Ka sorkar jela kala kular ban shimkia